Morning! It's freezing in the shop today, which is why you're going to see me with my hat on and my scarf for the whole of the video. I've got a little upcycling project I'm doing. I got a clock that I was given by my mum, a huge clock. Already got a bit of resin on it, and yeah, just thought I'd give it a bit of a facelift and give it a bit of a sort of modern resin design. So yeah, enjoy. That was possibly one of the quickest resin pieces I've ever done, but I'm really pleased with the colours of it, and yeah, I'm going to get you some proper pictures.